Looking for the perfect gift for a new baby? Check out our list of the best baby tricycles available. These adorable units are perfect for little ones who are just starting to learn how to ride a bike. Not only are they comfortable to ride, but they also come with safety features that will make sure your child is safe while out and about. So let's get started. List number 1, Radio Flyer 4-in-1 Stroll and Trike. The 4-in-1 Stroll and Trike grows with your child through different riding stages. Easily convert between 4 growing stages by removing the accessories, headrest and seat belt. The accessories include an adjustable UV protection canopy, wraparound tray, headrest and seat belt, footrest, and parent push handle. UV protection canopy protects from the sun. High-density foam tires provide a quiet and smooth ride. The height-adjustable parent push handle provides easy control. This 4-in-1 stroll and trike bike is the perfect trike for your growing child. With its easy-to-use growing attachment and adjustable seat, this tricycle grows with your child through different riding stages. The removable accessories allow this tricycle to grow with your child. Air-filled tires give it extra shock absorption, while a high-density foam tires provide a quiet and smooth ride which will help reduce stress on your joints over time. The child's feet rest on footrests below the pedal base platform, providing additional stability. The durable and easy-to-clean plastic tray includes a parent push bar for holding small items. It also has wide rear wheels to provide a quiet ride, removable footrest for early stages, and an XL rear storage bucket. The parent steering push handle removes for older riders. The sturdy steel frame and adjustable seat ensure it will last for years. List number 2, Radio Flyer Pink Rider Trike. The Pink Rider Trike offers convenience, comfort and fun. This sturdy trike features steel construction, comfortable grip handlebars, quiet ride wheels and an adjustable seat that will ensure your child will enjoy the trike for years to come. Plus, it comes with a fun-covered storage bin. The Radio Flyer Pink Rider Trike is the perfect way to bring your child on long trips. The sturdy steel construction, cushioned handlebars, and comfort grip wheels ensure your child will enjoy riding the Pink Rider Trike for years. It's a great gift for preschoolers who need to be mobile yet still learn about how much fun it is to play outside in the sunshine. The Pink Rider Trike is a highly rated trike. With outstanding reviews, this sturdy trike features steel construction, comfort grip handlebars, and quiet ride wheels for long-lasting performance and reliability. The adjustable seat ensure your child will enjoy the trike for years to come. Ride in style with this Radio Flyer Pink Rider. The peaceful, sturdy and safe Pink Rider trikes are perfect for long rides around your home or neighborhood. With high-quality steel construction, comfortable grip handlebars, quiet ride wheels and a convenient covered storage bin, the Pink Rider is ideal for parents looking for a safe and reliable ride. Plus, your child will love the included Pretend helmet and high-quality seat which makes for hours of fun. List number 3, XJD 3-in-1 Kids Tricycles. This premium tricycle is a complete set of toddler training bike, perfect for growing with baby. XJD 3-in-1 Kids Tricycles is carbon steel construction and durable wide silent wheels make this tricycle is the safest baby walker. The adjustable handle angle and seat height will perfectly fit your baby's driver growth. It has the perfect choice for you to help your baby learn how to ride a bike. Our toddler bike gives your child a safe and comfortable riding experience. With its kid-sized seat, this tricycle is ideal for children up to 36 months old who are ready to move towards a bigger tricycle bike. Our trikes are sturdy enough to use indoors or outdoors and have rugged carbon steel frames that can withstand various outdoor accidents any baby may encounter. Our 5-inch kids tricycle is a toddler bike with safety and high quality, which is perfect for making quick trips outside or taking adventures around the house. It is designed in 3 levels of high-quality engineering: American steel, Austrian engineering, and French design that makes it an ideal gift. Safety features. Wide wheel tires with patented spokes and smooth edges. Additional footrest for added comfort and support. Maximum weight capacity, 130 pounds, 59 kilograms. Fully enclosed wheel avoid clamping baby's feet. XJD Kids bike has been past safety testings required. All the materials and design are safe for kids. Please feel assured to choose. XJD aims to supply high-quality products to make every baby enjoy the pleasure during her play. List number 4. Juvie Tricycle 4.1 Kids Tricycle. The Juvie Tricycle 4.1 is the perfect first vehicle to introduce balance, coordination and limb to your child. This pedal tricycle makes it easy for parents to help their little ones learn how to ride a bike. With adjustable and removable parent push handle controls as well as a quiet folding design and a high-quality construction, this tricycle is built with safety in mind from day one. The Juvie Tricycle 4.1 is your child's first vehicle and the perfect way to introduce balance and coordination, one step at a time. At stage 1, 10 months plus, your child sits in a padded seat with head support and front bumper for their comfort and safety. The multi-position canopy has multiple positions for maximum shade and ventilation. The adjustable plus removable parent push handle provides complete control. Baby sits in a padded seat with head support, surround arms and a 5-point harness for their comfort and safety. The extra-large canopy has multiple positions and is made of a 50 UPF fabric to keep baby cool and harmful sun rays away. The extra comfy shoulder and seat pads are removable and machine washable. Stage 3, 24 months plus. Parents can remove the surround arms and lock the pedals to allow the child to pedal by themselves. Large pedals make it easier for the child to place their feet on and learn to pedal. The Tricycle 4.1 features a large 10 inches front wheel, larger than the competition, and 7.5 rear wheels for easier riding. List number 5. Besri Baby Tricycle 8-in-1. The Sei Baby Tricycle 8-in-1 has a high-quality 3-point harness and adjustability, allowing the safety and comfort of your baby on the go. The canopy protects your child from aggressive sun rays while you have an easy time keeping an eye on them with the window. The seat can be adjusted forwards or backwards in 2 positions for comfortable fit as your child grows. The TrueFit rear axle system allows you to replace wheels quickly instead of having to buy new ones as your child grows, changing their size every few months. This trike comes with a large basket and protective sun canopy to keep your baby safe from harmful UV rays and encourage healthy development. The seat height, backrest angle and handlebar position are all adjustable to ensure comfort as your child grows. The big canopy protects your baby from aggressive sun rays, while you can always keep an eye on your toddler with the window on the go. The 3-point Y harness is changeable by adjusting the 3 buckles to accommodate your kid's stature. The seat can be adjusted and reversed to allow your curious baby to interact with you face to face or observe the nature on the go. Multi-position backrest can be adjusted from 95 degrees to 145 degrees. 160 degrees for rear-facing seat, to find the perfect position for your toddler's comfort. Fun for 1-6-year-old kids with 2-player mode, and to ensure its durability, it is designed to be non-foldable.